Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment building today and we're going to be sinking out a kitchen sink. I don't know if this one's going to be back to back. Some buildings are, some are not. So let's see if this is going to be an easy one. You guys got a plug sink?
Yes.
Okay, I'm here to take care of that for you. Do you have anything under your sink?
Yeah, stuff.
Okay, that has to come out, please. So the sink is backing up? Mm-hmm. Okay.
And you can use that empty stuff.
Oh, okay, perfect. Where did you get this from?
Dollar store.
Dollar store? I gotta get some. I had one and then I went to the dollar store because my other one broke and I can only find really little ones.
Oh, okay.
And they're super, they broke super easy.
Yeah.
But these are good. This is the one I had before, but I forgot where I got it from.
I got it from this one here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how's your day going so far?
Not bad.
Not bad, other than this?
Other than that, that's just something. And yours, how's it outside?
It's getting a little muggy. But I don't know if that's because I'm in and out a lot.
I'm not feeling, but I put you on the AC.
No, you're good, you're good. I don't mind the heat.
You sure? I can bring it
Yeah,
down here.
no, you're good, seriously. Thank you very much, though. All right, ma'am, I'm all done. So keep your water on, hot water, for about a half an hour. I know that's excessive, but
Whatever it takes.
all right, there's grease in the line and you want to kind of wash it down,
Oh, is it
right?
grease?
Yeah. So you're good now.
Okay,
All right,
thank you so
but
much.
don't, when you look like that, you kind of, I'm not blaming you,
No, just
because you and your neighbor share a drain,
Yeah.
but it's also connected with everybody above and below, right?
Okay.
So everybody's grease that goes down below or above is coming down in your drain, right?
Okay.
So it could, I never push blame on stuff
No,
like
but
this, all right?
I have my son, so sometimes,
Yeah.
I make mistakes.
If anything, if any oil or everything goes down,
Yeah.
lots of hot water.
Hot water.
You want to basically melt that down as much as you can and force it down into the main out to the city.
Oh, okay.
All right?
Okay.
But try not to do it.
Yeah, throw it out.
All right. Have a good day, okay? Thank you very much. All right, thank you. Bye now. Alright, so that's another one in the books, guys. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taraji.